This video will teach you how to check the Google Doc history in a web browser on a computer. Open a file in Google Docs. Click File, then Version History and see Version History. The doc will reload and display all the document changes in a panel on the right. You can name the versions by clicking the three-dot menu icon, Name this version. A document, drawing, or presentation can have up to 40 named versions. A spreadsheet can have up to 15 named versions. Click a version if you want to restore a previous version. The doc will change to reflect the version history. Click Restore this version if you want to revert to a previous version. It's a blue button at the top of your screen. Click Restore again to confirm the change. To return to the most current edit, repeat these steps to view the version history. Then select the most recent version and restore it again. If you can't see the version history, you may not have edit permission in the document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.